In this video, you'll learn how to link Outlook with Microsoft Teams in just a few minutes, so you can streamline your workflow and manage emails and meetings in one place. First, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account you use for Teams. Both apps need to be installed and connected to the same Microsoft 365 account. Next, ensure you have the Teams add-in installed in Outlook. By default, Outlook on Windows automatically includes the Teams meeting add-in, allowing you to create Teams meetings directly from your Outlook calendar with just one click. Now, open your Outlook calendar. Click on New Meeting in the top toolbar, and you'll see a Teams meeting toggle in the meeting creation window. Enable this option to add a Teams link to your invite. After that, fill in the meeting details. Add the meeting title, attendees, date, time, and any agenda notes. The Teams meeting link will be automatically generated and included in the calendar invite for everyone you invited. Once your meeting is created, send the invite. Attendees will receive the email with the Teams link and can join directly from Outlook, the Teams app, or by clicking the link in their browser. And that's it. Your Outlook is now linked with Teams, making your meetings and email workflow seamless.